Okay, we're coming out of a wonderful post-Thanksgiving in 2021, being thankful for more things than ever before. Some of the most fundamental: clean water, clean air, clean food. Can't take anything for granted. So I wanted to keep my pandemic music booster going with Omicron. This is not any snake water lyrics you've heard before. No, this is a John Prine song. For all the people getting Omicron. Come home late, come home early. Come on big when you're feeling small. Come home straight, come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed, the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart burns with a fever. I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can a love last forever? Get left so far behind. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed, the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean, dreadful sorrow across the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow when you ain't got one word to say? So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed, the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. Speed of the Sound of Loneliness for pandemic music. Check out the next December one I can get out there. Send me yours. Peace, love, holidays.